Hey everybody, I'm your man Dennis Pitzenbarger. We're here at the Performance Racing Industry Show, and I'm inside the CV Products booth with my friend Scott Hyland. You know, you guys have brought some very cool specific parts we're going to talk about in a second, but you guys have a large gamut of catalog parts that both are manufactured by yourself and great partners. Talk about that first.
Yeah, we carry it all for race engines. We have a 300-page catalog. It covers everything from our engine parts that we manufacture to the leading performance brands.
And you guys brought some very specific parts here, one of being that cool serpentine system. Let's talk about that first.
Yeah, the new Sidewinder front drive systems we've introduced. It's all black, hard coat anodized. We offer for dirt late model applications from open motor to crate engine applications. We have asphalt configurations where we have low light and left, you know, alternator and power steering pump to the left side to reduce mass. But we have the full range of front drive solutions for your engine.
What's going to be the end result for a consumer buying something like the Sidewinder? What's going to be the real advantage for them on the track?
The track would be performance, because we've engineered it to reduce slip of the belt. The ratios were modified to run the alternator at certain RPMs. We have different ratio combinations for the water pump to maximize cooling efficiency. And friction reduction. So there's a lot of different things that you could look for there.
Scott, the other thing that you're very proud of this year is your X2 valve train setup. Talk about that as well.
Yeah, we're really proud of our X2 valve train line. It's championship proven and quality driven. So we offer people stainless steel valve solutions to titanium and all the supporting hardware, retainers, locks, guide seats, push rods, lifters, you name it.
One of the things you were talking about before we started the interview was something you had new in the X2 platform. What is that?
Yeah, we have a complete line of shelf stainless steel valves, but now we're moving into custom manufacturing. So we will have blanks on the shelf, and a customer, if he has certain specific requirements that we don't have as a shelf valve, we can manufacture that for them.
Well, that's what makes it nice, is because, you know, off the shelf is great if you can use it, but sometimes you have to be able to give that product to the consumer, something they want custom for any application they might want.
That's correct.
Now let's talk about the belt system next. You know, that's something that I think is very cool. It's a piece of jewelry if you ask me, but let's talk about that new belt system as well.
Yeah, Dennis, the belt system we have here is called the XTS line, XTS timing systems. So we offer this in both the Pro Series and the Elite Series. And the Elite Series features patented technology in the thrust bearing assembly, where we have a roller bearing setup that actually reduces friction in the engine and also helps the engine builder on setup.
Well, I was going to say that. I was going to ask you if it was about setup as far as cam timing and setting up. If you wouldn't even want to change that, it could be a real advantage of someone that's doing that micro tuning on their engine.
Yes, the benefit of this is that you don't have to use the traditional shims and Torrington bearings and stuff to set the camshaft fore and aft. It presets it for you. But the biggest advantage is the parasitic loss that we were reducing by using the bearing assembly.
All right, Scott, for the Xceldyne, you know, I know you got some new rollers that you really want to show me. Talk about those as well.
Yeah, I want to show you our Pro Series lifter. We're really proud of this. We offer it in two different configurations. We offer it in a needle bearing setup and a bushing setup. So we have the keyed 937 and soon to be 904 diameters ready to go. We've had tremendous success with multiple race wins in the NASCAR Cup Series this year, and we're taking that technology and giving it to the masses. Well,
you know what? That's as simple as we've all known from we were kids. You know, it's race on Sunday, sell on Monday.
That is definitely a case here.
Scott, you know what? If people want more information about any of the products you're debuting here at the PRI Show or any of your vast catalog, where do they go?
They go to cvproducts.com, or they can call us at 1-800-448-1223.
All right, well, you heard him. It's Scott, and I'm Dennis. cvproducts.com. We'll see you in the next video right here, PRI Show.